Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, I'm still in the month of March. It's about to run out, so I gotta kick it up. I got a lot of recipes I want to share with y'all, with me and my mom's favorite. This is one of my favorite breakfast items, and y'all, it's so simple and easy to make. And I'm gonna share with y'all. Let me turn up to my griddle here just a little. I want to share with y'all one of my favorites here. This French toast, y'all. I found some brioche bread, happened to be on special, and this makes the best French toast in the world. Is brioche bread. If you can ever be in your supermarket and you find brioche bread, grab it. And even if you just put it in the freezer for later on, it makes the best bread pudding and the best French toast. So I'm gonna make a few of these here, y'all. About 5 pieces. I'm gonna save the rest. I'll make a bread pudding later. But it's like an egg and butter bread, really. It's so rich. It makes a perfect French toast. So first thing I do, I got my in this bowl here, I got milk, and I got the recipe in the description box of the video. So what it is here, I got eggs, vanilla, a little sugar, and milk. Egg, sugar, vanilla, milk, and cinnamon. 5 items in here. I'm gonna just mix this up with a little fork here. I got me some sausage boiling. I'm gonna have a nice breakfast here. Make sure you get it all mixed up. Maybe I should get a whip now. Get a whip here where I can really get it mixed up and get over the sink here where I don't make a too big of a mess. Okay, I got that all whipped up, and what I like to do, like put this in here and soak this bread in here a little bit and soak up in all that goodness. Get it soaked in there really, really good, y'all. You really want to soak that stuff in there. And then I'll put it right here on my griddle. And I'll show y'all in a second the griddle here. There's the other 2 in here. Like I say, y'all, this is very easy, simple, and awesome recipe. Can't go wrong with some French toast, y'all. Can't go wrong. One more here. And that's it. And I can save this actually a couple of days in the fridge. If I want to make more later, I definitely will have more to use. So let me move the camera over here, y'all, so y'all can see. Kind of see what I'm doing here on my griddle. Let's see, I'm gonna turn it up just a little at the back. Move this up out the way. Yeah, y'all, ain't nothing like good old French toast, y'all. And you just put it on here. You don't want the fire to be too hot because you want to allow the French toast to cook. Turn this one over. Definitely want it to be golden brown. And y'all can do this in the skillet too, of course. Of course, y'all can do this in the skillet. But like I do, I like to flip it over once it gets brown and just cut the griddle off and let the griddle, just let it slowly cook on the other side. See that? Pretty that is. French toast, can't go wrong, y'all. Can't go wrong with French toast. Flip the other one over. And that's it. Now all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut my griddle off and let it sit here about 2 or 3 minutes, and it's gonna cook all the way through. In the meantime, get my powdered sugar and my syrup ready, and we'll be right back, and I'll have it plated up and we ready to eat. See, this is so quick. See how quick this breakfast is? Like I said, I eat my French toast sometimes with scrambled eggs and bacon, scrambled eggs and sausage. But today I'm just eating the French toast and some sausage with it. And that's it. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. My French toast is ready. I got my butter on there and my syrup, and let's try this out. I don't know how tender this gonna be, y'all. Perfectly cooked, y'all. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Brioche makes a difference in French toast. It makes so much of a difference. And then using regular white bread, get you some brioche bread, sliced brioche, for your French toast. It's like night and day. A lot of times I use Texas toast if I can't find regular brioche, you know, the thick cut bread. But if you can find brioche, y'all, use brioche bread. It's a game changer in French toast. So anyway, I might make a bread pudding with my rest of it. So you might see a bread pudding video coming up pretty soon. So anyway, this is another one of my favorite breakfasts to eat. And I'm doing my birthday month video. So anyway, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year is to help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.